Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bottle opener using resin and talking about which is the best resin so it doesn't bend and how to fit it all together. Thank you again, Vivian, for sending me this mould. You're such a generous person. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate everything that you've sent me. I love it. You've given me such great ideas as well. If anyone would like to send me anything, then my PO box is in the description below. I've got my polyurethane resin mixed up, and what I've added to it is 2 different colours of mica powder. And when you're using PU resin, the great thing about it is when you're using 2 different colours, they don't just automatically blend in and make a really muddy colour. This is what I love about polyurethane resin. So even though I'm pouring these 2 in together, and as you can see, this bit, which will be the bottom, will be mixed up, underneath it won't be, so you need to go in with a stick. I'd just like to say a quick thank you to all my members whose names are coming up now. I hope you're enjoying the series that we're doing on setting up your own business and how to sell your arts and crafts. It seems to be very, very popular, which is great. So as you can see now, I'm going in with a stick and making sure I get to the bottom to prevent it just being blocks of colour. And I really love this about polyurethane resin, because you can get some brilliant swirls, and when you've got the swirls, what you see here is what it will look like. Because it cures in about 3/4 of an hour to an hour, it doesn't have time just to mend and blend and merge into each other. And this is why I'm pouring this one as I am. You will see exactly what I mean when this one is demolded. These 2 colours will be completely separate once this has been demolded. And it gives you so much more opportunity to do different things as well. Just using up a little bit of extra resin here. I'd just like to say thank you to everyone that bought me a coffee. If you'd like to buy me a coffee and get your name on my coffee board and help me save towards my 3D printer, then the link for that, along with the link for everything that I've used today, is in the description below. So I'm now going over it with my long neck lighter, pop any surface bubbles, and then I'm filling in this slight bit here because I didn't want this to be a full through bottle opener, unlike the larger one. And then I'll let this cure up for about an hour. These have cured up nicely, and I did have a little bit left, so that's why I popped it into the single bottle mould. Just wanted to see what it had come out like. And that is the great thing about using PU resin. Oh, that's come out nice. Oh, I love that pattern. Oh, and so is that one. And they come with the metal pieces that you need to put in and the screws for the bottle opener. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a bottle to use to test this with, but I do know that PU resin does really cure extremely hard and is not going to bend and warp. I'm quite happy that this will be strong, and it does have 3 little holes there as well for you to be able to screw these into, and it comes with a little screwdriver as well, which is not the easiest of screwdrivers to use, but there we go, we can try it. I'm going to get a better screwdriver than that. Oh, this is much easier to use with a proper handle on it. And there we go, that fits in there, and then you can just lift that off. And there is quite a few different shapes that you can make, and you can personalise these as well, using vinyl or anything else that you want to use to personalise it and sell them or give them away as gifts. Great thing is, they do have a little hole at the top so you can put a cord on them. And without a doubt, this is the most important thing, I think, is using the right resin for this job. If you use just a normal art resin, what you're going to find is if it gets warm, it's going to bend in your pocket or anywhere else. It's also going to bend and possibly snap when you use it because it's not hard enough. Where polyurethane resin really does cure extremely hard, and it's going to have no problem coping with the work that you have to do to open a bottle. There's the 2 that I made. I think they've worked out great. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. I do like the colours because they're nice and vibrant. Hit that thumbs up button if you found this useful, because that really does help my videos get out there, and I do appreciate it. It makes me smile every time. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, then the link for that and the link for everything that I've used today is in the description below. Take care. Enjoy your resin. Bye.